What am I?
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to What Am I? Do you enjoy guessing what things are? It's fun, right? This time we will guess an animal. It's a kind of bird. Let's learn some words first. A test will be after that. Are you ready?
The first word is cry. In the picture, you see the boy is sad, and tears are coming from his eyes. He is crying. Do you sometimes cry? When do you cry? The next word is wake. In the picture, you see the boy getting up after sleeping. He wakes up. He looks glad after sleeping. What time do you wake up? The next word is fly. You can see the man moving through the air. He is flying in the sky. He may fly over the clouds. Do you know something that can fly? Listen and choose the right answer.
Fly. Wake. Cry.
Now let's guess what am I? Get ready to start.
I am a bird. I live with people. People like my eggs. I cry to wake people. I can't fly. What am I? I am a chicken.
Where can you see a chicken? Yeah, you can see chickens on a farm. Now you will take one more quiz.
What is true? The chicken is a bird. The chicken can fly.
Did you enjoy the lesson? I hope so. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.